Is it so bad? Yeah? You need your breakfast right away? Are you starving? You're about to fade out? Because you're dramatic. I know you fade out when you're waiting for your food. Yeah, I spilled the beans to your followers. I did. I did, young lady. Yeah, I spilled the beans. I know, I'm not nice sometimes. But sometimes, your drama is too much for Mama. You're dramatic. You're dramatic. Yeah, you're dramatic. For real. For real, for real. But you know what? You know what? What? So, your breakfast is very soon. It's not long anymore. Yeah, it's great, right? Isn't it?